Hi there, it's time for another episode in my series about making a new game from scratch. Last time we came up with a play character and created some slimy animations and a jump movement for it. In the last episode I said that I would build this game in 10 weeks. Then I realized that I haven't made any 3D games before, only a couple of 2D games. So before I start to end development I have to learn 3D modeling somehow and find a tool that even a dummy like me could handle. Luckily, Unity has a 3D modeling tool called Probuilder. No more excuses, time to take my first baby steps with 3D modeling. Probuilder turned out to be quite easy to pick up and get started with, and I played around for a while with some cubes and I had suddenly built my first 3D model. The model is going to work as a placeholder for the sewer ground where the slime character can move along. I then added some colliders onto the model object and implemented the sewer segment to the game. It was finally time to take our slime character for a test run in the sewer. To celebrate my new leveled up skills in Unity, I recharged my brain and went out for some fresh air and inspiration. Because of the small scope and my limited skills with game design, my strategy will be to make the game world as minimalistic as possible and focus on a main mechanic. A game which does that perfect in my opinion is Superhot. I actually think that I read somewhere that they use Probuilder for Superhot and that its initial design was made during a game jam. Don't trust me on this one though. One idea that I had in mind since I started the project is to have some kind of wall riding. If slime is cool and wall riding is cool, a wall riding slime have to be super cool. I started to code some scripts for handling the wall riding mechanics, and this wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. Finally, I had something that worked at least similar to what I had in mind. For the jump onto the wall I use an actual force and gravity of the player body, but for the jump off the wall I had to deactivate the gravity and simulate the movement back to the ground to make the jump consistent. It's not perfect, but this works for now. The main thing that we have left for the prototype phase is of course enemies. I couldn't come up with any good ideas for a perfect enemy, and I stared into the computer for a while when I
suddenly saw something slimy, black and terrible.
Black slime, of course. Black slime is going to be the main enemy in our game. If you want to see more development of this game, subscribe below and smash the like or dislike button. Hope seeing you in the next episode. Bye.